Mga kaibigan, maraming salamat to all of you. So the people who are greetings in my birthday. That was on August 9, 2025. So I am here. Your lingkod is already 39 years old. Upcoming next year, I'll be 40 years old. The lives begins 40. Ganun na ho. Maraming salamat uli sa inyong lahat mga kaibigan for the great things that you have done, that you have messages on me on my post in my Facebook page. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you so much for the people around the world, especially my organic followers here in my TikTok, in my YouTube subscriber and Facebook page and Instagram, Celebi, and many other social media platform. So mga kaibigan, I'm very much thankful on that mga kaibigan that we reach for this type of graceful greetings from God, no mga kaibigan. Maraming salamat to sa inyong lahat. It is your lingkod here as a facilitator of this Facebook page, YouTube channel. We have a lot of the YouTube channels, Facebook pages, and many others in TikTok channels, mga kaibigan. So thank you so much to all of you. I do not like to encourage those people who are not like me to watch my video, especially if you do not like and then you scroll down, or maybe that you cannot to follow or subscribe, because I do not like to be to pursue you to subscribe on it, mga kaibigan. But those who are people willing to subscribe, willing to watch our videos here, mga kaibigan. So, I am here, mga kaibigan, for those questions. It's all about how to be successful in life. For me, mga kaibigan, hindi po madali. When we say about success, it is not all about ambition. It is not all about sacrifice. It is not about your dreams. Meaning to say, success, it's a broad, continuous educations and discipline and lifestyle of ourselves. That is a life-changing. That is called a success. But when we say success, it is because you reach already your dreams about to finish our study, to reach to build our home or house, and many other things out there. It is not called a success. Success is a continuous. There is no stop on if you reach the top, or either you down many things. It is called success is a continuous, sacrificial in life. So success meaning to say you done fault and then you correct it, and you can to study the lifestyle and to have an idea on how to prevent and avoid this coming of that kinds of everything that would happen in the near future. So that is success is a continuous preparations. Success is a continuous learning. Success is a continuous discipline and lifestyle of an individuals. So there is no stop at all. That is a success. Is a continuous. To reach up the success, it's called the death of the life on this universe. But we have on existing of this universe, success is continuous. Whatever the success every day, if you done good every day, and then that is our success. That is the fruitful of our working every day. So that's why, mga kaibigan, and thank you so much for those people who are be an open-minded everything. So that's why, mga kaibigan, we have no fixed definitions in law, because life must in positions where the protocol, style, and discipline of law of the creations. So that's why in this universe, in this land, there is a protocols of law that we follow. So that is called not about the success. It is the strong character of an individuals that we need to be on that matter, no, mga kaibigan. It is not all about individuals. It is not all about individuals' talent. It is not all individuals' skills. It is not all individuals' ambitions, dreams, and many others or etc. out there. It is a continuous learning, educations, disciplines, and the style of ourselves. That putting God as a center of what we have doing every day. So that is called a strong character of the success in life. Because life, your mouth, our mouth, is a portal of the frequency of this universe. Whatever they say, if we are going to talk bad things about life, and then later on, there will be a fruitful of bad things, everything out there. Because you are declaring and we are labeling of ourselves. So that is why be God as a center or of the light. Ganun lang ho, mga kaibigan. So thank you so much.